Hello, welcome to Askotisplace. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my okra gel. In a previous video where I showed you okra gel, I didn't show you how I made it, and somebody requested for a video showing how to make it. So this is my okra. I just got a little bit of okra, washed them properly, and chopped them up into small sizes. And the amount of okra you use will really depend on what you have. I wanted something that was going to be enough for me to use and use again, and also for my daughter to use. And for this okra gel, sometimes when you want to cook, there's some of the okra that are quite strong. For this process, I didn't mind, even the ones that were really strong, I cut them up also. Since I discovered okra gel, I have not gone back to using anyone. This has been my go-to detangler, and it has really done wonders for my hair. After cutting it, I put some water in a pot. I was not strict about measurements. I just put the water I felt was going to be okay. After the water got a little bit hot, I put my okra inside and let it, do its magic. Let it boil for 5 minutes before turning off the heat. And I didn't want this to be on fire for too long so that it does not lose its nutrients. That's why 5 minutes was okay for me. How do you make your okra gel? If you have a different way of making it, please leave it in the comment section. Let us know so that we can also learn from you. After this, for 5 minutes, I turned off the heat and let it sit to cool properly. I didn't want to handle this while it was hot. When it had cooled, I used a whisk and whisked it. After doing this, I poured the okra gel into a bowl, but I had a weak cap to help stop the okra from entering into the bowl too. But my weak cap had a hole, so I had to do it twice. I had to do this twice, guys. You don't want to leave particles in your hair. You have to make sure you strain this properly so that you don't have okra particles in your hair. After doing that, I transferred it to a container and it was time to detangle my hair. After doing that, it was time to detangle my hair. You guys know, or if you've been on this channel for a while, you know that my hair really loves this okra gel. It has done wonders. It has really helped in the detangling process. Now let me tell you a few benefits of okra to the hair. Okra acts as a natural conditioner that moisturizes and adds shine to your hair. Okra's mucilage acts as a natural conditioner, leaving hair soft, moisturized, and shiny. Okra promotes hair growth. The nutrients found in okra support hair cell growth, help repair hair follicles, and may reduce hair loss and shedding. The slippery texture of okra gel provides excellent slip for detangling hair and helps to define curls without causing stiffness, making it a great alternative to synthetic gels. Okra helps to improve hair elasticity, making strands more flexible and less prone to breakage. It's rich in vitamins A and C, along with protein. Okra helps strengthen hair strands and promotes collagen synthesis, which reduces breakage and split ends. Okra may help protect your hair from environmental stressors that can damage hair. So yeah, those are some of the benefits of okra gel. Is this something you use? Do you use okra gel for your hair? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, you can see how detangling this hair is such a breeze. One of the things that help me detangle properly is that I put my hair in sections. That way I'm not overwhelmed. It makes it easier for me, and also it ensures that I reach every strand of my hair. Just imagine if I didn't section my hair, I'll be struggling to make sure it reaches every part. So sectioning your hair really helps when detangling your hair. And during the detangling process, it is very important to be gentle. Be careful with the hair so that you do not break your hair. If you watched up to now and you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell, select the all option so that whenever I post videos, you'll be one of the first to get them. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've not. If you're one of the people who have used okra gel in your hair, please let me know your experience in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Do have a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.